Hello folks, time for another video and shave. Well, look at this nastiness on my face. And you see that? Nice and gray and 20 different colors. Yeah, it's been like a week or 5 days since my last shave. Like I'm in confessional. I just been swamped, and I was kind of waiting for all that daggage I had going on my face to heal. It looks like it's pretty much all gone. But anyway, let's get the shave on. So, I was in a mojito kind of mood today. Now, normally I gravitate towards frozen mojitos from A&E. But then I remembered, boing, that my buddy Josh, when he sent me that epic care package a while back, had some Miami Mojito from Lather Bros. So this is going to be fulfilling the bill today. Now, this is a unique mojito scent because to me it's a little heavy on the basil. It's still very refreshing, kind of a mojito. Of course, it's a mojito scent. But it's got different, because I have a few mojitos scents, soaps from different artisans. This one's a little different than the rest. Still very nice. And you say basil, mint, and lime. See that from the front. And what's nice is they put the ingredients on the inside of the label. Now, I went to the website this morning to just scope it out to make sure the soap is still available, because I kind of do like to shave with things that are still out there. This is actually on sale on the Lather Bros website. I think it's limited, though. I think there was only 1 or 2 soaps left. So if you're interested, go to Lather Bros website. The link will be down below. Now, I already have that whipped up in the Timeless bowl. Nice. And I'm using the Craving Shaving brush today with that awesome Fanturian That Darn Rob Knot in there. Nice and refreshing scent. All right, razor, I felt like using the Razorock Hawk, but I have it on the Rod George, the frog handle. That handle was named by Jill. May she rest in peace. And the handle was actually sent to me by my buddy Wes. So thank you everyone there. But it's on the Razorock Eco. Blade in there today is a half of a Gillette Nasset. I've never tried the Nasset in the Eco, so we'll give that a shot today. So we'll just wet the face. I actually can't wait to get this scruffiness off my face because it's been itchy, itchy, itchy. I've been hitting my face up every day with some Star Jelly from PAA just to help that stuff heal a little quicker. All right, nice and hydrated there. Now we'll go with the Miami Mojito from Lather Brothers. Lather Bros. I'm just going to call it Lather Brothers because it just rolls off my tongue easier that way. This Fanturian knot is so plush. Has those gel tips on it. This is actually my first run with Lather Brothers soaps. It was never on my radar, and then my buddy Josh sent this to me, so that's awesome. It whipped up nice. Only took a couple seconds, pretty much. It's a nice poofy lather. I was going to go with a pre-shave today, but I said, you know what, let me scope this soap out and see how the slickness is. Very nice. Alrighty. Hope everyone out there is doing okay. Still going through all this crappy virus stuff. My kids are still on remote. They went back for a little while, but then, you know, something happened with somebody contracted the disease and whatever. Alrighty, Razorock Eco, Rod George, the frog handle, and Gillette Nasset, half a blade in there. Nice. So happy to get this scruff off my face. And I figured, hey, why not grab the Eco today? Kind of a green shave with the Mojito theme. The only thing not green here is my bowl. Which is weird since my favorite shave color happens to be green. So I don't have a green shave bowl. Strange, isn't it? Yeah, I was battling a few ingrown hairs like last week. And then, of course, you know, I wouldn't let them be, so I kept on messing with them. Which just made matters worse. So, they seem to be not there now. Plus, I had that big old cut under my nose from my lovely kitty. She got me good. We always play around with string and stuff, and it got a little bit too close to my face. And she got me. But it's looking pretty good up there. I love this razor for under the nose, let me tell you. It's a great razor for like under the nose and around the chin area. Well, that, my friend, was way, way nice because it's been, like I said, 4 or 5 days since I shaved last. And it feels so good to get that scruff off my face. Wow, feels great. Residual slickness feels pretty good on the Lather Bros soap. That feels good. My sink is looking gross. So make sure after this pass, I definitely empty the old Sea Monster sink. Nice, refreshing mojito scent on this. Slightly different than the other mojito scents I have. This is more on the basil. And the mint is there too. But the other mojito scents that I have are more heavy duty on the mint and lime. This is nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alrighty, let's just do a little against the grain. I really like using this Rod George handle on this razor because the Eco is so light that with a heavier handle, it feels nice. Since I gravitate more towards heavy handle razors, or heavy razors, not actually the handles, but I mean, the Eco is a great razor. It's just with the factory handle, sometimes I find it a little bit too light. But that's nice. Always get that lather. Jammed up the nose. Just trying to take it easy around where I had those ingrown hairs and up. Under my nose. I think I should stop because I know I'm probably really BBS right now. But it just feels so good. All right, let me empty the old Sigbin Sea Monster sink. Woohoo. There's some serious whiskers in the sink. All right, well, let's do a nice cold water rinse while we're at it. Oh, nice and cold. And yes, the BBS has been achieved. Wow, that's nice. All right, enough for you. Enough for you, sink sprayer noise. All right, let me just wipe down the old counter real quick because it is wet. Wouldn't be one of my shaves if the counter wasn't soaking wet. We'll bust out the old Lancaster towel. Supposed to be a drop. I just don't know when. I really haven't been following when the drop is, but I don't think it has happened yet because I would have heard about it, the buzz in all the Facebook groups. So supposedly there will be a drop. I just don't know when. So nice. Good stuff. Great scent on that. All right, so just to recap it, that was Lather Bros or Lather Brothers Miami Mojito. Good stuff. A different take on the old mojito. And like I said, what's cool is the ingredients are actually right there inside the tub, which is a good thing. I don't have to do a copy and paste and throw it up in the corner. Yay! And I whipped that up today with the Craving Shaving brush. With that nice Fanchurian knot from That Darn Rob. And this was sent to me also by my buddy Josh. Great deal. And that was the Razorock Eco today. With a half of a Nasset blade in there. Very nice. I like that today. And I'm feeling nice and smooth. And of course, that was the Rod George handle, the frog, which Jill named. May she rest in peace, Miss Jill. And my buddy Wes sent me that. Awesome handle. Thank you, Wes. Now, since the soap came from my buddy Josh, there is a matching splash. Yeah. Nice. Actually, I haven't smelled the splash yet. Let's see. Oh, it matches the soap perfectly. Sometimes you put a splash or a balm on and it'll either be a really good match or it'll be somewhere in the ballpark. This is a perfect match to the soap, the matching soap. And I also did notice that, wow, this is good. It's weird, it's got like a little bit of a burn, but also a nice soothing, cooling effect. Must have some witch hazel in here too, so I know the ingredients are on the bottle. Yep, see that? It has alcohol and witch hazel. And see if we can see the ingredients there. Nice. Lather Bros, Miami Mojito. Good deal. So, if you enjoyed today's Miami Mojito shave by Lather Bros, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. And we are so close to reaching 500 subscribers. I think we're like between 8 and 10 or something like that away. So when we reach that awesome number of 500, we'll have a giveaway. Yeah, and thanks everybody for subscribing. And I love all your comments. They're very refreshing to me. And yeah, stay safe out there. And until next shave, hopefully we'll reach that 500 number. So, like I said, until next shave, Glenn signing off.